Hello and welcome to the step-by-step application guide for Shiv Nadar University. Before we begin, please make sure that you have met the necessary prerequisites for admission which are listed on the screen. It is essential to have all the required documents and qualifications before starting the process. To apply, you can find direct application link to SNU in the description box below. In this video, we will walk you through the entire application process, covering every step in detail. Please follow along carefully, and if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to ask in the comment sections below. So let's click on the application link in the comment section below and start with the process. You are going to see two options, register and login. If you are first timer, please click on register and enter the required details. Please enter the email ID, the phone number, your state, your city, the course that you're enrolling for, and the specialization, and then enter the CAPTCHA and click on the checkbox to receive information from SNU after application. Okay, so once that is done, you will be sent a verification link on your email ID. Okay, so click on this link where you have been given to verify your email ID. Click on validate email. Once you click on validate email, you are going to get the option to start your application. Click on start your application. And now we start to fill in the detail. It's a 10-step process. It's a little lengthy one. So if you think that you will not be able to complete it in a go, click on save every time you fill in the details so that you can come on later and complete the process. Now I'll start. Program details. I'm doing masters, so I'm going to click on masters. Program type. It's for me, it's Masters of Science because I'm doing MSc in Economics. You can choose yours. And then I have to choose my specialization. Again, I've chosen economics. Then I have to enter my personal details. Okay, so I've entered the title. My first name has already been filled. I have to enter my last name. Email ID has been filled in. Choose date of birth. Okay, your phone number has been entered. You can provide an alternative mobile number. Choose your gender, your marital status, and your nationality, and then your category. Okay, if you want, you can enter your Aadhar number and your LinkedIn profile path. I don't want to since it's not compulsory, I'm not. And I'm going to move on to the next screen or the next step. Click on next. Then you have to enter your father's detail, okay, and his occupation. Also, you have to enter your mother's detail and her occupation. And click on next or save or exit, whatever seems suitable to you. Moving on to the third step. I have to enter my country, which is already there, state, district there, code, city there. Just cross check the information. Then you have to enter your address. So for me, I'm entering it all. If your permanent address is same as the correspondence address, click on yes. If it's different, click on no and fill in the details. Moving on to the next step. Now you have to fill in your class 10 details. So enter your school name, your board. For me, it was CBSE board, so I'm going to choose CBSE. The year of passing. Marking scheme was percentage, and then the percentage that you obtained. Okay, then your school name for 12th, again your board for 12th, your stream, for me it was commerce. Year of passing, again marking scheme and the percentage obtained. Then you have to choose your graduation detail, your college name, the university, your degree. Mine was BSc, the year of passing. So I've already passed, so I'm writing the year of passing. The results have already been declared for me. You choose yours. The marking scheme. Okay. Then they are asking that if I've ever appeared for any qualifying exam. I have not. So I'm choosing no. Now, next and then next step. I'll move on to the next step. Okay. So if you have any work experience, click on yes. I don't have it. So I'm clicking on no. Then click on next. Okay, then here we have to add the reference detail who will provide you a letter of recommendation. Okay, so you have to fill in all the details here. Okay, so I'm writing the name, their designation, the organization where they work, the country where they work, you will have to provide a phone number. Okay, then you also have to enter an email ID, then years of interaction, how long have you known them, okay, and the context of interaction, as in how do you know them, okay. You have to enter the details, okay, and again, this can be any person, your professor, your faculty member, your mentor, anyone who knows you well professionally, okay. Click on next and save. Let's move on to the next part. Then they are asking you if you have any other professional achievements. I don't have it. So I'm clicking on no. If you have, you can click on yes and fill in the details. Then moving on to the next step, the eighth step. So they're asking you of how do you know about Shiv Nadar? So, and whether you applied before or not. So I have not applied before, so I'm going to click no. Then how did you hear about it? I know it about social media. Okay. And if you have any concerns, any mental health issue, physical health issue, any learning disability, please choose yours. Since I don't have any, I'm going to click on not applicable and click on next. Moving on to the ninth step, where I have to upload the different documents about which we have mentioned in the beginning of the video. Please make sure to choose them well. Okay. So I'm just choosing the ones that is compulsory. You can choose yours. Upload your CV and statement of purpose. Make sure to write the statement of purpose really well. And then after that, you just have to go through the declaration. Once you have filled in the details and submitted, uploaded your documents, click on preview just to see everything is fine or not. Okay. If you want to make any changes, you can click on this edit button for each category and make the required changes. Once you are satisfied with everything, only then click on make payment. Okay. And after that, you will be taken to the payment page where you will have to click on make payment and complete your payment process. And this is it. This is the entire process. Thank you for staying with us for this long. And I hope I was able to help you through the entire process. And we'll see you in the classes soon. Thank you so much.